Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to important news about Tech Mahindra. So basically Tech Mahindra is mentioning the two important news. First is about the exam and second is about the apprentice updates. So basically there is a change in the hiring process and many candidates are waiting for exam mail, but in this video I will show you that Tech Mahindra exam is ongoing and according to phases wise. So this all videos are for all of you. You can check important video as well as if you still not checked this video, so you can check. Okay, basically they are just sharing all the updates that is related. So this type of mail is received by candidates and last date to fill this survey is tomorrow. So one of the most important point that I have to mention that you can check greetings from Tech Mahindra. This is with reference to your registration for our off-campus drive. Please be informed that there is a change in freshers hiring process. Candidates who will clear the Tech Mahindra evaluation process needs to undergo the apprenticeship through the registration under the Act 1961, which will include training followed by project skilling shadowing. After completion of 6 months out of total duration of apprenticeship, there will be assessment, and if you are clear that assessment, then only you will consider for employment at Tech Mahindra at the sole discretion of Tech Mahindra team. So basically Tech Mahindra team added one process that is related. So if you clear all the examination and process, so you have opportunity to do the apprentice. So basically they just mentioned that if you clear the assessment after 6 months of like total duration, okay, like 6 months is completed and you completed this training, so after that you have opportunity to join Tech Mahindra. The program will provide you valuable learning. Okay, so they just mentioned that you will be given a stipend of INR 9k per month during the period of this. Please let us know interest by 16 August 2023 to start further process. One of the most important point that I have to mention that many candidates are thinking that like what about this program is like offline or this program is online. So Tech Mahindra team is still not mentioned about this thing. Okay, so this is not confirmed. It will totally depends on them. They will give in both the mode or the other single mode. So we have to wait for the particular response. But if you are interested for the Tech Mahindra job opportunity and if you are interested to join opportunity, you can fill this form. Okay, so this is related to all the details, as well as you can apply for other opportunities on our channel as well. If you are interested, you can check, because if you clear the interview round, and there is a process that there is a super coder examination. Okay, so basically you can check that there is a exam of super coder also. So basically the super coder exam will give you 5.5 like 5.5 LPA is the package for the super coder. Okay, so you can check according to your interest. If you are if you are available for the 6 month duration and you can just join that, so you can check this opportunity. As well as Tech Mahindra exam date is like Tech Mahindra exam is ongoing. Like one candidate shared me this update. Okay, she completed her exam on the 14 August 2023. So basically the exam time is 1 PM 14 August to like 4:59 PM. They just mentioned that there is a time to 4:59 PM 14 August. So basically exam is ongoing in the form of phases. Okay, and there is a CBT test. After that all rounds are there. So I mentioned already process all the process in my previous video. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.